Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on Mentellect Patreon.
One word only I'm going to use. Gentrification. That's why. Gentrification is why bronze communities must come up and replace neighborhoods. You see, because neighborhoods are code words for neighborhoods that other people can come into and push out the people who are not considered a real people. Why are they not considered a real people? Because they have no culture, they have no heritage, they have no real collectiveness. You see, that's what culture, race, and heritage, nationality dictates, that you stick together as people. This is why so-called quote-unquote police are targets in this country. Because I'm going to break this down bit by bit. Remember, I always said the key to anything amongst our people, the key to anything getting fixed is community. I've always said this: community, community, community. Community is the key to fixing things amongst our people. You want to make racism go away? You want to make police brutality go away? You want to make misrepresentation by the go away? Then be a damn community. That's the only way that people will take us seriously. That's the only way people are going to take us seriously. For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to Mentellect Patreon. Go to Mentellect Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to Mentellect Patreon and join the American Republic. And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with Nuben Menkari.